You've watched hundreds of videos about growing on YouTube, but nobody ever tells you how the money actually works. Not the motivational version, the actual formula. Most beginners think views equal money. That's the first mistake. They grind for subscribers. They chase viral, they burn out, and their bank account doesn't move. Why? Because they're building the wrong thing. Views are not income. Attention is not a business. Most channels treat YouTube like a lottery. Post enough, go viral, get rich. That's not how it works. Here's what they don't teach you. YouTube money has 3 separate layers. AdSense is just the first one, and it's the weakest. Layer 1 is AdSense. You need watch time, 1,000 subscribers, and the right niche to get paid at all. High CPM niches, finance, tech, business, pay 10 times more than entertainment. Same views, 10 times the money. Layer 2 is affiliate income. You recommend a tool. Someone buys it through your link. You earn a cut. One video, one link. Passive income for months. No extra work required. Layer 3 is your own product. Course, guide, template. This is where real income lives. You own it. No algorithm can take it away. Here's where AI changes everything. Tools like ChatGPT and OpusClip let you script, repurpose, and post faster than a full team used to. You don't need a team. You need the right tools and one clear strategy. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. If you build around AdSense only, you're building on someone else's foundation. The algorithm changes, your CPM drops, and you have nothing else. Stack your income layers from day 1, not month 6, not after you hit 10,000. The formula isn't secret. It's just ignored by people chasing views instead of building systems. You now know what most people on this platform will never figure out.